Okay, I am doing exercise 2.10M lever crank. Uh, First, I'm going to make sure my units are to millimeters. Okay, I'm going to correct the layer. So I'm going to draw my first circle. I'm going to draw the circle, one circle, with a radius of 32. And then I'm going to draw the other circle, say, diameter of 32. There you go. The outside one, we want a radius of 32. So we're going to draw a line out 76. I'm going to draw this line up here, kind of a reference. So I'm going to go to arc, go to start, center, end. I'm going to start there. I have all my O snaps. So a center, they're showing that the radius of that arc is 20. And then I'm going to go 20. I'm going to hold down control though, okay? There you go. Now, I'm going to draw this circle here with a diameter of 16. I'm going to draw it in the center of that. There you go. Now it's telling me the center line of the upper circle there is 64. So I'm going to draw that and come straight over here. Now we got to draw this because we have that line there. So we're going to go to arc, start, center, end. We want to hit the end point. Make sure we hit that end point. And again, I'm going to use this as a reference to help me out here. So to start, we got the center of 20. We're going to hit enter, yes. There you go. So I'm going to get rid of all those beautiful lines that just have been in the way. And we're going to draw that inside circle of a 12-inch diameter. There you go. And then we're going to draw this arc with a fillet. It has a radius of 70. So we're going to hit this arc and this arc. There you go. And now we're going to trim. Go to trim, right click, so everything's a cutting edge. Those are your objects there. So now we're going to go to annotate. First, we want to make sure we're on the correct layer. Annotate. Then we'll go to annotate, center line. Okay, I'm going to grab all those center lines. I'm going to give them an extension of 15. There you go. So they all stick out a little further there. Then I'm going to change my dimension or to my dim layer. Go back to annotate to get my dimensions. So I'm going to start with my linear as I always do. Okay, so we got 64. We got 76. So those are our linear dimensions. So now we're going to go to our diameters. So it looks like all our inside circles are diameters. And I'm going to try to line some of these up, kind of make it look a little presentable. That we did some things on purpose here. And what I mean by that is I'm trying to match kind of how these dimensions align here. Okay? So this kind of aligns here. You see how the dimensions there align. Okay? And now I'm going to do the outside circles with a radius. Kind of do this on purpose to make it look like I'm trying to align things. Okay, so we got that alone. Then we got to get this radius. There we go. The radius is 70. And that is exercise 2.10M, the lever crank. Again, don't forget to put it on your title block. Put your name, the drawing title, and put it to a scale. Again, this is exercise 2.10M, the lever crank.